Up first this evening, $65 million, the price tag for consultants to carry out a strategic review of PETROJAM's operations. Now, the Energy Minister, Favour Williams, made the disclosure in the House of Representatives this afternoon. TVJ's Herman Green reports.
Last week, PETROJAM's Strategic Review Committee gave a list of recommendations for the future of PETROJAM. But during Tuesday's sitting of Parliament, opposition spokesman on energy, Philip Paulwell, expressed a surprise that consultants were contracted to do the review. But that's not all. He also questioned a change in the technical team used by the government.
The team that was used was a Gaffney, Klein and Associates. I know that the ministry had used before Muse and Sensor to do other technical work. So I'm not wondering why the change, if this was done by proper procurement, and probably you could indicate to us what is the cost of the consultancy work.
Energy Minister Favour Williams sought to explain the switch. She said, while the original consultants, Muse Stansell, were focused on valuations, Gaffney, Klein and Associates more suited the requirements for the project.
This focus here was looking at the operations of the entity, laying out all the options that are available to government so that when the cabinet reads the report, when it considers it, it knows that if it goes down road A, here are the implications going down road A versus road B versus road C versus road D.
As for the cost,
I don't have the precise cost here. Can I give you an approximation and I can come back? I think a ballpark figure was like about $65 million.
You said $65 million? That's the consultancy.
Ms. Williams did not respond to questions on whether procurement rules were followed. The report from the consultants was used to inform the recommendations made by PETROJAM's Strategic Review Committee in relation to the refinery's future. The committee has recommended that the government privatize PETROJAM or shut down the refinery if it fails to identify a suitable lessee. Herman Green, TVJ News.